What's up, guys? It's JC Gaming here with The Liberation Part 3.
Rowan is here too! This is actually the same night that we're doing the same video. So yeah. Let us know what you think.
And I'm behind the wheel, so it's gonna suck.
I'll just get like the worst amount of views. This was
10 points.
Everybody dislike this video because Josh is driving. Dislike it again.
No dislikes.
Don't dislike the video. Just like the next video that I'm in.
Alright, get out. You done?
Yep.
Good. So like always, I hope you guys have enjoyed the videos.
What was that mood change? But seriously, in the comments, tell us who you like, who's driving you like better.
Don't do it.
I think Josh has better commentary because my voice is high pitched. I swear to God, I'm not a small kid.
No, this young man can eat so many friggin' cheeseburgers, it's not even funny.
What?
No.
What?
Disregard what you just said.
That was my voice.
I'm a little bit rusty. I haven't played Grand Theft Auto for a long time.
Oh yeah, I have.
Yeah. You should! No, I'm kidding. No speed.
But I do have kind of a I have better luck. That's what I have. I have better luck.
Well, I'm more experienced driving on
Yeah.
Forza.
No, I mean serious. You have to look at how lucky I get with some of these tricks.
Oh, I've seen how lucky you get with some of those stupid tricks.
Oh, you need to take it off. You need to hit that jump. Just go straight up there. Hit that, yes. Woo! Try and speed up faster.
Made it. That's a backflip. That's a like.
Take it in the tunnel. Will it fit?
That's a corkscrew that needs another like.
Look, try and see if you can hit tricks off the wall. Even if you like walls with people and get it, so just try and do your own thing. I mean, the only reason I'm good at using this mouse stroke is because I used to play the mouse stroke game.
Yeah, so did I. I mean, DS a lot.
Well, not the Nintendo DS and the Xbox. I used to have it, so and I was good at it. I mean, I wasn't good at racing, but I was good at doing freestyle. Oh, that was crisp. Oh, shit.
Come on, guys. We need another like. That was a good, crisp front flip.
Woo!
Come on, can I get one more flip?
Yes, you can.
I rarely drive this.
I believe you can get it done. Fuck! Flip!
Oh no!
I said fa.
Fa. Fa. Everybody fa in the chat.
Because I said flip, and I was like, fa. I did not say the other word, that's what
Okay, last time he blew up the truck. This time, unfortunately, it was me.
Yeah.
So I'm handing the controls over. I had my fun.
Okay. Let's see if we can get the truck back, if we can get the truck back.
We cracked the code, we think, on getting the truck.
So, if you guys want to try this out for yourself,
Don't tell.
thank you for coming this far in the video. but I'll give you a little hint. Cause a little mayhem before 9, and we're all the way in the city. How? Not gonna ask. I just need a car.
ASMR soda.
Give me your car. Give me your car.
Good God.
Yes. I just did that for no reason.
Oh, Lord.
Now stay calm, lady.
We should make an ASMR video.
Hey, look out for fools like
There's actually a YouTube that does conspiracy ASMR. It's like a joke, though. It's pretty cool, though. I like what he does with it. It's pretty funny.
I see a blonde guy with glasses.
I think so, yeah. And he covers his room in tinfoil.
Ooh, too close. Hey, my car.
Okay, don't attract cops. Drive home. Drive like you're a mom and you forgot your kid at the soccer practice. Or your kid's late for the soccer game.
ASMR redneck slap. I should not open that.
And there is my
ASMR fart.
I got a coil.
You don't want to be there. I recommend going to Vespucci Beach. It's kind of chill. There's all types of characters there. Back to you, Philo.
Hey, that's real shit. So all you two.
Was that the cat?
Yep.
Wow. Is that her purring too?
Yeah.
Wow. So if you guys don't know,
Out there, man. Take care, take the proper precautions.
we got a
Lock your doors.
cat in our garage, basically,
You'll get back into
in his garage, and yeah, it's technically just a cat in the garage. It's probably as best I can put it. It's just a cat in the garage. It's-
It's JC, I'm back. We should totally make a video of us going on a bike trail,
Oh yeah.
but film it from different perspectives.
Oh yeah. Oh! Oh!
Boom! How can I guess it, folks? I can predict the future! One like.
You want to go to bed, please? It was 9 o'clock.
Baby!
Come here! I'm on pillbox now. Okay. Tacos!
You look like the most hungriest fat guy ever.
I'm probably gonna die from this. Don't whip me the bird! Ah!
Why does he look like he's enjoying it?
Don't run people over. No, that should...
And guys, we have so much fun recording this. I cannot say it enough. There will be a giveaway when we hit 20 subscribers.
And a special video.
Just for you guys.
And us. And you. And us. And you. What?
Stuck in the middle of the video.
Oh, man.
Took it from the truck.
Hey.
What did you say?
Why does it sound like American Pie music?
Oh, Hummer! Oh. Truck mom. Yeah.
How come there's so many trucks?
Truck mom. Yeah.
America truck, yeah.
Ugh.
Oh!
I actually did that on accident too. Was that a low battery?
Yeah, that was a little battery on my phone.
This is a short video.
How is it we made the Liberators survive 2 episodes ago?
But then Josh completely.
I did the you killed it first.
I'm on the truck now. Yeah, truck mom. Truck mom. Yeah. Truck mom.
Give me my Copenhagen.
Truck mom. Yeah. I'm just gonna go with the road takes me. Truck mom. Mom. Truck mom. Truck mom. Hey, hey buddy. Guess what? Hey buddy, guess what?
We should go steal the tow truck and go
Buddy.
on.
Hey buddy. Truck mom. Thank you, getaway driver.
You're gonna get knocked down. You should just pop tires. Guys, I don't know how he's doing this. Mr. Magoo's at it again.
No! That was hilarious. He's trying to hit me with them.
Oh,
He is
what?
trying to hit me with them. I'm just gonna stay centered. Wait.
We are.
Thank you, driver.
Thank you, driver man. Dead.
Get out of here, Marty. And your name. And off we go. Buddy, watch where you're going.
You saw any good movies lately?
No, but I hear the New Jersey movie's out.
Yeah.
Probably gonna go to that over the weekend. Actually.
Oh, it's during the week.
Yeah.
Is that when you guys are going?
Yeah, I'm not sure when it
Old, you went past the email after you.
Yeah, he was actually the one that brought up the idea. Yeah, believe it or not. I know! I was like, what?
You brought up the idea.
Yeah, but
Is he trying to be nice to you?
I don't know. Might be. If we can... He doesn't want to be filmed on video, because he's shy.
Yeah.
Poor little buddy.
Comment down below if you want to see Rowan and his brother wreck me in a game of Call of Duty Black Ops 3 where I never win. Every time we play.
Yep.
Every time.
Yep.
Even on Minecraft.
That's not Call of Duty. Hey buddy, can you get my hood off for... Oh, okay. Oh, sorry.
There's one hipster. There's a wannabe hipster.
Oh no!
I'm serious, guys. I never win in a game of Call of Duty with these guys. Seriously.
If you guys haven't checked it out, we're not sponsored by these guys, but the new Call of Duty Mobile, it's actually a really good game, and I wish they could sponsor us.
Sponsor.
It is actually a really fun game. Like, I have never played a game. They brought back some of the
Old maps.
they brought back Hijacked, Nuketown. They even have old weapons, and I feel like they really outdid themselves with this game. I feel like you guys should check it out. I feel like you should sponsor us.
And Mountain Dew. I should talk to Hillary Clinton,
Who's Hillary Clinton?
the owner of Pepsi.
How are you gonna be able to talk to him?
My mom used to clean his mansion,
Wait, seriously?
and used to cook for him, and used to be his friend. Well, still is friends with him. The legitimate owner of Pepsi, his family came up with Pepsi, the business.
So, your mom
Mm-hmm.
clean for this?
Yeah. I actually met him in person. And he's a really, really nice guy. I'm gonna see about it.
So you're saying
Maybe.
that it's possible
He could.
that Pepsi Gold could sponsor us, a small YouTube channel.
I'll ask him.
Well, it's 38 views. He's still gonna get publicity.
And every time he sends us a new product, we'll drink it on camera.
That is if
It works. And we wouldn't really be doing it for the money, guys, but we would kind of. Because we're going to try and build gaming PCs and play GTA 5 RP together.
and we also want to bring you new games which cost money.
On
we
PC.
want to do online, basically. So what we're trying to get at is that we want to do GTA Online. And have two people be able to play, because it's not fun whenever one person just plays and people just watch.
When we would be cops, basically.
We might be cops. We also might do other... Ah! Oh,
Mr. Magoo's back at it again.
not anymore. Oh, I thought it was explode.
Hold on to your hat. We're taking a commercial.
And you guys seriously like to play everybody. Well, it's YouTube.
Don't make no fucking sense.
Yoga is a way of slowly making your life.
Can't you hear me?
I know I've said this a lot, and I don't want to sound like a broken record. This game is so much fun to play. Couldn't look at that.
Everybody knows the game. I mean, think of it. They face so much controversy for this game because of all the things that has in it. People are like, oh no, it's too gory for my 8-year-old child. Maybe don't let your 8-year-old play the game.
I know where you're going.
What? I'm not gonna rant about this. But seriously, people,
See if it's fun.
don't let your 8-year-olds play GTA. I mean,
Controversy.
but still, if there is,
This is Mojo with Lady, a house classic from 2004. Enjoy.
Mr. Magoo.
not exploding.
I'm not going to be like that every YouTuber and tell you like and subscribe and share the video with your friends. I'm not going to always do that. Only one time in one video. I was just saying that to make a reference.
A reference.
Or, make a point.
Howdy. So, you know, looking for a little thing. You got 5-hour energy, possibly?
No, it's 4-hour Energizer.
Get the hell out of my shop!
No.
Speed up the damn register. Ah, okay, yes. Shoot me these.
Yeah, hang on.
Oh no, I have to take the money, and then you can do it. See how it's this. I'll take one. Okay. Now watch me.
Other register.
I thought you used to be able to shoot that one too.
Other register. You got it. The money's right there. Go, go, go. Excuse me.
Wow, Josh.
Every video I get so much gas. I don't know why.
Is you nervous?
I'm not nervous. I've been YouTubing for 2 years.
I've been on the YouTubes.
I've been on that site called the YouTubers.
I am a YouTuber stars. It's not so good. There is no way it's going to be. We got it 3 times in a row. There's no way it's going to be out. And I'm actually saying that just to and see it's not true.
Well, you said it wasn't gonna be here.
Take it out! Bring
Take that, Billy
it
Bob.
out! No! I want to drive it!
I've never seen red overalls.
Bring out the truck!
Oh boy.
What? What?
Put the gun up, put the gun up, put the gun up. Put the gun up, put the gun up, put the gun up. Oh. Put the gun up!
Hey, officer.
Just walk away.
You ain't worth the fucking steam off my piss.
Yeah, it's a mystery what happened here too. Like I'm just sitting here with a shotgun. I don't know what happened. I don't know.
Rockstar, please fix it.
I don't know what happened. I don't want to make assumptions, but it appears he got shot by
Guys, it's Mr.
this
McGill.
exact gun.
It's Mr. McGill.
Okay. Have a nice day, officers.
They pulled up so casually, I thought they was gonna shoot you in the face.
So do I.
What will you do when you finally win the lottery?
I'm gonna help starving children in foreign countries. Just kidding. I'm gonna indulge in
They
every whim
disappeared.
and then one day make myself like a real rich person.
And there's
I'm gonna go on a sex tourism trip around the world. Nebraska, Thailand, I don't give a shit. I'll be tearing up ass globally. Start dreaming.
So we just got to get this one more time. And we're probably going to do it off camera, and we're just going to screw around and practice with it. So whenever we do get it again, if we can get it again on camera.
so we're gonna look like food first.
Slow down.
I think we've milked it for what it's worth, but it's still a fun thing to do.
Restart the Xbox and do it again.
Slow go up there. Hey, bunny! Bunny! You got
Should we end it here?
Yeah, let's end it here.
Alright guys, don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe, and end my life.
and share with your friends. And this is JC Gaming saying
End my life, please.
have a good night.
Have a good night, and please kill me.